Good morning, class. I hope you enjoyed your first day of summer school e-learning. Just checking in to make sure everyone is doing okay and understanding how to navigate the page so we don't run into any issues and you fall behind. I am pleased to report that the majority of the class handed in their assignment 1, which tells me that you had little to no problems navigating the site and uploading your assignment to the appropriate Dropbox. I failed to mention this in the introductory video, but I just want to call your attention to the content page. I had a couple emails yesterday asking about where to find the actual assignment. So if you click the content page, you have your units outlined in folders. So today you should be working on Unit 1, Activity 2. The content will tell you essentially the lesson for the day. Some activities to complete, and then you may have to complete a discussion. Where you find the assignment page is by scrolling all the way to the bottom and checking out the assignment Dropbox area. You can click here and it'll take you to the assignment, and it'll list everything from the learning goals, success criteria, instructions, where to drop it off, and then a rubric to guide you. Or you can be in the content page and simply click Unit 1, Activity 2, Assignment, and this will take you to the assignments page. Finally, you'll have some feedback from the first assignment, which were all very well done. Under your updates, now yours will look a little bit different than mine. You should have one unread feedback with like a little discussion and a 1 indicator up here telling you to read the feedback. If you didn't do the assignment, you should have an email from me telling you to please hand in the work, or you will have some feedback that indicates what you're missing and the opportunity to rewrite to improve your mark. I hope this helps. Remember, if you have any questions, email me from your My Tools to Go account to my work account for a more prompt response. Keep working hard and have a good day.